Greetings, viewers! In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create MyATN files to enhance internet speed. These files will contain your MyATN VPN settings, and we will also show you how to lock these files to prevent unwanted editing and ensure easy sharing. Let's get started. Step 1. Download MyATN VPN. Begin by downloading and installing the MyATN VPN app on your device. Step 2. Set up connection and explore options. To create the files, set up any connection within MyATN VPN. Tap on the radio button near Custom Setup and explore the available options. Step 3. Choose Custom SNI method or preferred settings. You can choose the Custom SNI method by following the video link provided in the description for guidance, or you can set your preferred settings from the available options. Step 4. Tap on 3 dots. On the home screen of MyATN VPN, tap on the 3 dots menu icon to access the options menu. Step 5. Select Import, Export option. From the options menu, select the Import/Export option. Step 6. Choose Export Config. Within the Import/Export menu, select the Export Config option. Step 7. Lock and set file details. Enter a file name in the provided space. Optionally, you can enter a custom message by ticking the message option and typing your desired text. To safeguard your file, set an expiry date by ticking the corresponding box. You can also adjust additional settings according to your preferences. Step 8. Export config file. Tap on the Export Config option to save your file. This ensures the MyATN VPN settings are locked and can be securely shared. Congratulations! You have successfully created MyATN files to improve internet speed and safeguard your VPN settings. Enjoy the enhanced performance and security provided by MyATN VPN. Don't forget to join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for further updates, and please like, subscribe and leave comments to support our tutorial. Thank you for watching.